In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design and style your email in MailChimp. To get started, open your MailChimp account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is where you'll create and manage your email campaigns, and it's the starting point for building a message that looks polished and professional. Once you're in, click Create. This opens the options for the different types of content you can build inside MailChimp. From there, choose Email, and then select Regular. A regular email campaign is the standard option for sending a designed email to your audience, so this is the right choice if you want to create a styled message for subscribers or customers. Next, enter your campaign name. This name is mainly for your own organization, so choose something clear and easy to recognize later. For example, you might name it based on the purpose of the email, the audience, or the date. Giving your campaign a useful name can save time when you're managing multiple emails in the future. After that, click Begin. This takes you into the campaign setup area, where you'll start entering the important details for your email. One of the first things you'll do here is add recipients. This means choosing the audience or contact list that should receive the email. Be careful at this stage and double-check that you're selecting the correct group, because this determines who the message will actually be sent to. Then continue by entering the necessary details for your campaign. Depending on the setup, this can include things like your subject line, preview text, and other basic email information. These details are important because they shape the first impression your audience gets before they even open the email. Try to keep them clear, relevant, and aligned with the message you plan to send. Once the setup details are in place, feel free to customize your email. This is where the creative part begins. You can adjust the design, style, and layout so the email matches your brand or the purpose of the campaign. Take your time with this part and make sure the email is easy to read and visually balanced. A clean design usually performs better than one that feels overcrowded. As you customize, focus on consistency. Keep your colors, fonts, and spacing looking intentional, so the final email feels professional. It also helps to think about how the email will appear on both desktop and mobile devices, since many people will read it on their phones. That's how to design and style your email in MailChimp, from creating the campaign to setting it up and customizing the final look. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be well on your way to creating emails that are both attractive and effective.